We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can disable Add Everyone on Discord. So first of all, you will need to open the server settings by tapping at its name and going for the settings option, then enter the roles section. Open each roles that you would like to disable or prevent from using the Add Everyone or Add All option. Then go into, permissions. Scroll the page down for a little bit, find this particular toggle, turn it off, and save the changes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.